As per latest media reports, several prospective partners who could potentially join the AMCA program are concerned about their profit margins, which are projected to be significantly below the industrial average of 10%, which is due to the low unit numbers committed by the Indian Air Force. That could result in higher per unit costs, which could potentially impact the profitability of the venture for the private partners. In addition to investing in production lines, tools and machinery, partners in the AMCA program would also need to recruit and train the workforce for the manufacturing, as well as manage the complex supply chain, which could impact margin pressure. The Indian Air Force has committed to procure 40 AMCA Mark 1 and 120 AMCA Mark 2 variant, but some prospective partners are concerned that this order may not be substantial enough, as there may not be follow-up orders from the Indian Air Force, potentially leading to further pressure on profit margins. Brahmos Aerospace is all set to receive further export orders, as talks with Indonesia has entered the final phase. Officials have said that price negotiations are nearly over, and they are waiting for approvals from Indonesia's Ministry of Defense. The deal for Brahmos shore-based anti-ship missiles with Indonesia will reach its conclusion later this year, which is anticipated to be around $200 million. Brahmos Aerospace is optimistic that it will be able to finalize 3 additional export orders by 2025, primarily from the smaller navies in the Southeast Asian market. India has been laying the groundwork for the establishment of the rocket force, for which more than 370 Rafale short-range tactical ballistic missiles are being procured, but experts have said that high-end missiles are difficult to manufacture and also requires more time to replenish the stocks, so it is critical that the inventory of Rafale and Brahmos missiles is kept only for high-value targets, and the focus should be to develop ground-launched cruise missiles and subsonic cruise missiles with ranges from 500 km to 2,000 km, to meet its requirements for low-tier missile systems, for which India will need to tap multiple private sector companies in the country to manufacture at a faster rate. Australian firm X-Tech has announced that its HighCom Armour Solutions unit has signed a collaboration agreement with Tata Advanced Systems Limited to collaborate on the supply of its advanced Level 3 rifle combat helmets for the Indian defence market that can stop bullets from high-powered rifles, and they will be produced at advanced manufacturing facilities in Bangalore and Hyderabad. The exercise Scope India 2023 is currently underway in the state of West Bengal, in which Indian Air Force's Tejas aircraft, Rafale fighter jet and Jaguar strike aircraft are participating with the US Air Force's B-1B Lancer bombers and F-15E fighter jets. The air combat phase will involve dissimilar air combat training, and it is highly likely that the B-1B Lancer and F-15 are engaged in simulated aerial engagements against some of the Indian Air Force's participating fighter jets. Airbus has unveiled the first C-295 military transport aircraft for the Indian Air Force, and the delivery of this first aircraft is scheduled for September 2023. The first 16 C-295 will be manufactured by Airbus in Spain and delivered by 2025, and rest 40 units will be manufactured at Tata Airbus facility in Gujarat.
Omar dropped it.